want to keep your personal notes safe on your Android phone like this here, in this video I will show you how to secure your notes and prevent anyone from accessing them using built-in Android features and apps. So to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Notes, as you see, and you will click. Then here you will click on this sign of pen here. You can click, or if you already have a notes, you can do the same way. So as you see here, you can tap anything you want. For example, here, right, you can just write anything, and then you will find these three dots here on above, so you will click on them. Then here in this page you will find this sign of lock here, the sign of security lock, so we will tap on this symbol, and after that you'll find, sorry, we will try again here. Let's just try hi. I will do it like a favorite, and then we click on lock here, and as you see, this is the lock notes here in this page. As you see, locked notes, so you will choose to scan with your fingerprint here, or to add your password phone. As you see, if you do like this, you can also use your password phone, and you can enter your password phone, and when you enter it, then you can enter to the note in easy way. So that's it. This is how you can lock your notes on Android phone. If this video is helpful for you, and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.